In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar in Notion. Whether you're looking to organize content, manage a project timeline, or plan editorial posts, Notion offers a flexible way to set up and maintain your schedule. By the end of this, you'll have a functional calendar that caters to your specific needs, ensuring you stay organized and efficient. Let's get started by opening the Notion application on your device. Once you have it open, the first thing you'll want to do is create a new page. Look out for the plus New Page button, which is typically located at the side of your workspace. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to give your new page a name. This name should reflect the purpose of your calendar, so take a moment to consider what fits best for you. For instance, you might choose names like Content Calendar, if it's for managing blog posts, Project Calendar for overseeing project deadlines, Editorial Calendar for scheduling articles, or Team Schedule if it's meant for coordinating team meetings. Naming your page clearly enhances organization and helps you easily locate the calendar later on. Once your new page is named and set up, it's time to add a calendar database. This is one of the key features of Notion, making it exceptionally useful for planning. In the body of your newly created page, type in Par Calendar. Notion will give you a couple of options: Calendar, Full Page, or Calendar Inline. Choosing Full Page will ensure that the calendar occupies the entirety of your page, which might be ideal if you want an uncluttered and dedicated view. On the other hand, selecting Inline will allow the calendar to be embedded within an existing part of your page, perfect if you need to integrate it with other elements or notes on that page. Decide which format best suits your workflow, and go ahead with that choice. With your calendar now set up, it's time to start populating it with entries. Click on any date within the calendar to create an item associated with that day. For example, you might click on a specific date and enter a team meeting scheduled for June 22nd, a blog post published on June 24th, or plan for a product launch on June 30th. Each of these calendar entries not only represents an event, but also serves as a gateway to a more detailed page within Notion. Here you can expand your planning by adding notes, uploading relevant files, creating checklists, and much more. This unique feature transforms your calendar into an interactive and multifaceted planning tool, effectively bringing your schedule to life. And there you have it. You've learned how to create and customize a calendar within Notion to fit your organizational needs. With this calendar, you can keep track of important dates, deadlines, and tasks all in one convenient place. Enjoy the process of planning and staying organized, and remember, the key to efficient calendar management is regular updates and consistent use. Thank you for tuning in today, and I'll see you in the next video.